So I personally believe the future of Bitcoin and lending is now. I think this asset class obviously started at zero, where there was no wealth in this asset. It's now over $2 trillion in market cap, meaning there is $2 trillion of newly created wealth that all of us in this room play a part in owning. We want access to that wealth. We want to get married. We want to buy a house. We have an emergency medical situation. We want to start a business, but we don't want to sell the sats. And so at Strike, we built it. So about a month ago, we launched our Bitcoin lending product. And I'm a big fan of just get the product to market. You know, I'm not a genius that predicts what you guys want and how you want it. I like getting things in your hands, opening my Twitter account, taking all the abuse that you give me, but it's good feedback. And it's like, okay, you guys want cheaper rates. You want to make sure your collateral's not rehypothecated, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. And I told you guys, before the end of the month, I would do it for you. I promise, I'm a man of my word. I try and be. And so I want to talk to you guys about where Strike's lending product is today, because I think you're going to be really excited. First of all, no rehypothecation, okay? But yes, your collateral, when deposited to Strike, it sits with us and the partners, and it does not move. It sits in a Bitcoin address. It is your collateral for the duration of your loan. We couldn't quite make it for this announcement. We are excited for a proof of reserves version of this product, but we do not rehypothecate anything. The Bitcoin never moves. There's no yield, there's no gimmicks, there's no nothing. You deposit the Bitcoin, it sits right here securely through the duration of your loan. Okay, I want to make that, someone clip this and tweet it. I could not make that more clear. Cool? Cool. Next, yes, what about costs? I believe, and I don't want to misrepresent, so take it with a grain of salt, but I believe we are the first financial institution of our scale, size, and caliber that is regulated that is now officially giving out loans for a single-digit interest rate. By the way, if you wanted to get a home equity loan from Bank of America, it'll cost you 9.5%. We have finally found the capital and driven this market down where we can give you a single-digit Bitcoin loan. Again, it is unbelievable. I'm so proud of the team. You guys can go to our website and check out the tiers and see where you would fit in. We've also dropped our minimums all the way down to 10K, okay? And so we will serve as low as a $10,000 loan, and on a per loan basis, I could give you guys up to $1 billion, okay? So Nayib Bukele, if you're out there, you want a loan, I got you, brother, I got you. Okay, President Trump, I got you, got you. We also rolled out today multiple loans, so you can open up as many loans on Strike as you want. Think the current, we have it at 3, we're gonna keep raising that, okay? Just bear with us as we scale. But the point is, you can open up a new loan to pay off and refinance your old loan. You can open up a new one at a different Bitcoin price, different terms, whatever. Multiple loans, refinancing this product. And then also, I just want to mention that Strike's a financial service.